So I did not get what I was looking for, so I need now to look to bus to up country. Yeah, so I need to head to I need to look for the bus. Actually, we are using the small car, small taxis actually. Yeah, so this take to Kiambu. Kiambu, Beba. So I'm back to uh, Tiru. Ata kerja? Ata? Ati nunggu mami Cina rekda? Ya? Eh? Saya hata mngoko mnasema mnapeleka na 800.
We, Galia.
Nani anateremka saa hizi?
Mimi.
Unateremka saa hizi?
Eh.
So utabeba na ngapi?
Si nimfanyia na dola.
Haya hapana, siwezi lipa zaidi ya 1000. Kwanza ile venye leo hakuna watu wanateremka.
Haya.
Jana nimelipa 18 nikitoka Kericho.
Kiti ni gani? Kiti ni ile.
Nyuma?
Sio nyuma katikati. Kando. Si hapo umezoea.
Siwezi enda nyuma.
Fanya hivi. Fanya hivi. Kaa pale mbele.
Sawa. So actually I was arguing with them because I cannot board. I cannot use pay more than 1,000 right now to Kericho. So, hii iko na laptop, haiwezi enda kwa boot. Umebakisha watu wangapi?
Weka tu 3 nyuma mbele yake.
3 nyuma. Sawa nange ganyis. So while I was coming to Nairobi actually, I paid 1800 to Nairobi because I knew actually people are going to they are coming to Nairobi, so there is that rush to Nairobi. But right now I'm going back to up country. I know there are few people are going back up country. It should be cheap, so I told them I will pay only 1,000 shillings. So that is it. So I think you've seen Nairobi. Nairobi is quite busy, especially during this time of the day, this time of the year also. January is always busy in Nairobi. So people are going back to school, back to business because a lot of people they went up country. So right now they came to do their shopping. Yeah, so that is it. So see you guys in the next video, and thank you for watching actually. Also like and subscribe. Yeah, thank you.